Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious zucchini cupcakes. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need fresh zucchini, all-purpose flour, sugar, and a blend of warming spices like cinnamon. Make sure your baking tools are ready, including a muffin tin lined with paper cups. Don't forget to preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit so it's perfectly hot when your batter is ready. This ensures an even bake from the start. Now, let's get to mixing. In one bowl, whisk together your wet ingredients, eggs, vegetable oil, and a touch of vanilla extract for that lovely aroma. In a separate bowl, combine your dry ingredients, including flour, baking soda, and those cozy spices. Gradually add the dry mixture to the wet, mixing until just combined. Finally, gently fold in your freshly shredded zucchini. Be careful not to overmix the batter. It's time to bake. Carefully fill each cupcake liner about 2/3 full with your delicious batter. This prevents them from overflowing and ensures a perfect dome. Place the muffin tin into your preheated oven and bake for approximately 20 to 25 minutes. You'll know they're done when a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Once baked, let them cool completely on a wire rack before moving on to frosting. The final step is the most fun: decorating. A classic cream cheese frosting pairs wonderfully with zucchini cupcakes, adding a tangy sweetness. Once your cupcakes are completely cool, generously pipe or spread your frosting on top. Add some colorful sprinkles if you like for an extra festive touch. These moist and flavorful treats are perfect for any occasion. Remember to check the description for the link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade zucchini cupcakes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.